Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, metallic paint, shocks, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend explains, on the road, the Silverado was exceptionally pleasant to drive. The ride was very smooth for a truck, and bumps and pavement imperfections were soaked up nicely. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.